Hey folks, it's Tuesday, October 18th. We came to Animal Kingdom today to do a bit of stuff. We're going to check out some new merch, try to ride a few rides, but fair warning, it's very, very busy here, especially for a Tuesday in October. I kind of don't know what's going on lately with Disney, but like every time we've come to Disney lately, it's over an hour wait for everything, over an hour and a half, up to 2 hours for most things. So just a little bit of advice. If I was booking a vacation down here in the next year, I would either not come to Disney, which is probably what I would do. SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, Universal, both Universal parks have been really nice lately, not terrible crowds. But Disney, on the other hand, like you can't get a reservation to eat hardly anywhere ever, unless you luck up like we did the other day with Ohana. The lines are incredibly long for everything. And they just raised the prices on the Genie Plus again by like 40%. So, you know, not to be negative or anything, but just to try to be honest with you is, if I was a vacationer, I would spend my money somewhere else. But yeah, we're going to check it out, see what we can do today.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Polyramus.
Stop! Identify!
Carnotaurus.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Get back in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
I really hope that if they keep anything from this, that they keep some of this like vintage dinosaur signage, because it's all really cool. But we just did the dinosaur and it was like a walk-on, so at least there was something that wasn't incredibly busy today. It's nice though. I mean, if nothing else, it's gorgeous weather, but it is like typical Disney, at least lately. It's incredibly packed. Pretty much everywhere we looked. We wanted to do the Kilimanjaro safari today, but it was 105-minute wait for that at 9:30 in the morning, which is just bananas. So we thought about buying a lightning lane for it, but spending $30 to ride the Kilimanjaro safari didn't seem incredibly appealing to me. We'll probably just spend that money on souvenir for Jack or something, and some lunch somewhere. Hey, we were thinking about doing Everest, but it's 40 minutes standby, so we're probably not going to. But I wanted to stop and give you a tip. Every time I've ever come here and Everest is a long line, the single rider line is always like a walk-on. I don't know if a lot of people don't know about it or what, but I can see it right now. There's like nobody in line for the single rider. So yeah, if you don't mind riding by yourself, splitting up your party, single rider is always an awesome way to go with Everest. This is one of the best things you can do on a busy day, especially at Animal Kingdom, is all of the different like wilderness walks and stuff they have. This here is behind the Tree of Life. And it's nice. You can come back here where there's not a million people and it's nice and quiet. Take a really nice scenic walk. And it gets you really close to the Tree of Life too. It's a way to just duck off and get out of the crazy crowds for a minute. See a kangaroo? Look at him, he's looking right at me. Kangaroozle. You can see, not exactly sure what kind of creature that is over there, but almost kind of looks like a turkey or a buzzard, a giant condor, some sort of large bird there. There we go, there's a good view of him. And this is the only spot, I mean, it's a very busy day at Animal Kingdom today. This is the only spot we've been to where there's not just a ton of folks everywhere. Yeah, see, look how awesome this all is. In here. Oh, look at him over there. Look at that big, majestic feller. That's a large kangaroo over there. He's just laying down, taking a nap. I don't see any of the lemur though. Just see some ducks. You see ducks everywhere in Florida. I found the lemurs. They're sleeping. You can see him move his head there every couple seconds. Oh, he's looking right at me. Yeah, it don't look like they're up to much this morning. These ducks, on the other hand, these ducks are out of control. They're jousting.
Oh, I think that's 7.
Y'all, I'm just trying to find out if this is copyright infringement or not. This is Lil Boo, one of the Legends icon that's become very popular at Universal. That's why Jennifer bought the purse. And then this is some of Disney's new merch. Shame on y'all, man. Shame on y'all. Thought I'd show y'all some of the 50th anniversary merch they have here in Animal Kingdom at Island Mercantile. They have a lot of it here. R2W50 for Walt Disney World 50th anniversary. Yeah, look, you can buy the same shirt the cast members wear. Are the ones they wore in the 1980s. It's not a bad looking Mickey bomber jacket. Tell you what I do like though, is these lounge flies are cool. The 50th anniversary ones. I do like those, and I also like, I'll show you in a minute, the they have the 50th anniversary luggage at the front. And the big luggage is only $200, which is like not a crazy price for luggage. I thought it would be much more expensive than that being Disney. Oh, and this is a cool dress. $122 for this dress. But it's a nice dress though. And then they have the iridescent shimmer loungefly. And more of the iridescent shimmer merch. I guess those are leggings. Those are leggings.
Yes, leggings.
And a cup and a... Hey, we're heading out of Animal Kingdom. We did a few things there. Stayed for about 2 hours. Had a pretty good time. But we decided that instead of eating lunch here, because everywhere's so busy and booked up, that we're going to go to a hot pot place I saw on TikTok that looks really awesome. So I'll see you guys there in a few minutes. Hey, so we made it to the You and Me Hotpot. They open at noon. We made it here right as they opened. I'm really excited to try this place. When you come in, they ask you how many, and then they turn this robot on and you have to follow it. Hey, how you doing, buddy? This is a new experience. You just follow him to your table. Is this us? Or...
Here we are. Have a good day.
There he goes. Farewell, buddy. Video, I'd like to come here, though. Just say something. They have 7 different choices of broth. The pork bone broth looks like it's probably really good, but I got the spicy because I like spicy, and Jennifer got the mushroom.
I panicked.
She said she panicked. And they also have smoothies, other different drinks here. I'm trying to get this without a glare the best I can. Boba. I got a lot of different options for the boba too. We just went with Diet Coke. Oh look, beers.
What's the beer that you would recommend?
Lots of wines. Which one of these beers would I recommend for you?
Different ones.
Tsingtao is a really good beer. Kirin Ichiban, Sapporo, those are all really good. I think you'd probably like the Sapporo the best out of those. But those, all three of those are really good. Sapporo is actually one of my favorites.
You know what? I think I'm gonna try the plum wine. Actually, I do like that. If he comes back, if not.
Oh, he's gonna come back. And then he said all the vegetables and noodles, I guess, come from the conveyor belt. And then up in the middle there is where you go to get your meats and all. Place is awesome. I wonder if our robot's gonna come back. See, this is gonna be like fruits and different sauces and different other stuff that you can add into your broth. But he said over here. Wow. This one, the one that brings the ice cream, has angel wings. There, finish.
Thank you.
So we just finished our dinner or lunch. I guess it's dinner probably because that's the meal we'll have today. But at the You Me Hotpot, this place was really cool. It's right next door to Disney. It's actually like if you come out that gate from Disney onto I think this is 192, but you come out that gate out of Disney and it's right next door to it. So it's so close to Disney property. So if you're staying at Disney or vacationing, going to the parks, and you want to have lunch here, you're practically already here. But You Me Hotpot was awesome. As you'll see, they have these little robots that take you to your table and bring out like your ice cream and stuff. And I thought that was a really cool, really fun touch. The food was all really good. All the vegetables, noodles, and everything were on a conveyor belt that came by, as well as the spring rolls. And then all the proteins were also up on the hot bar or cold bar. I'll show you that too in the video. I had the spicy soup, it was really good. She had the mushroom, she said it was really good. And their spring rolls were excellent, but everything was really good. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please, if you like this content, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I should be having a couple more videos coming out this week, hopefully. Really hoping to do Busch Gardens on Saturday, but that's not set in stone yet. But anyway, thank you guys very much. Stay brutal.